Mr. David, Junk Car Buyer Academy, #1 premier junk car buying business. Also, a consultant firm. We help and educate junk car buyers, tow truck drivers, even junkyards, large and small, about today's market and the trends and what's going on with China, India, and why prices are so low and why the price of metal is not in high demand. But currently, even though it's in low demand, this still is a great time to buy junk cars today. And we want to educate you guys on how you can still profit in the business and make more money. Today I wanted to show you guys a couple things we have right here. Here we have, some 2012 Dodge Journey Cats. And right now the platinum, palladium, and rhodium market is currently down a little bit, but it's not too bad, right? And I want to give you guys some tips on how you can find and help you educate you guys on what the market trends are. These catalytic converters here, about $225 a piece in today's market. Honestly, it just depends on your core buyer and who you sell to. Again, we do help educate you guys on how to source local core buyers in your area, and all that and above. Here we have batteries and how you can determine, what lead prices are. Also, aluminum wheels are in right now. This is a good time to buy aluminum wheels, batteries, and catalytic converters and just hold them, especially on the aluminum wheels. You get those, you get them off vehicles, 4 of a set, great aluminum wheels, you can turn around, sell them. I don't know where you guys are at in the United States, but in certain markets, aluminum wheels are selling for $30 a piece. You do the math, right? On lead, prices are currently down right now, but it's the best time to hold them, stack them up. When the prices go back up, you sell those. Catalytic converters, you can stack them in bundles, quarterly, monthly, however you guys do it, and we'll educate you guys on who to sell to, who not to sell to, so you don't get robbed and blind behind that, and what local junkyards to sell to as well. And if they are cutting off your catalytic converters, hey, get them to cut your catalytic converters off, give them to you, and you turn back around and sell them to the core buyer. Again, let me educate you guys about anything that you want to know junk car buying business. My name is R. David. If you want to schedule an appointment, hit the link below. We do want a direct call to me, and we can talk about whatever junk car needs you have, and we can help you with it. The number is 770-203-6613. Also wanted to educate you guys about Kitco. It's a metals pricing app, right? And educate you guys on updated market trends and what's going on currently in the market, right? Come on in, let me show you this right here. All right, so this is Kitco.com, right? And today, rhodium is at $13,000 for the ask, right? Oh, I'm sorry, hold on. Here we go. Yeah, the bid is $13,000. The asking is $15,000. So it's kind of low, but it's still getting up there, right? And also we have platinum, silver, and palladium. And also when I was telling you guys about the batteries, when it comes to the zinc and the lead as well, and you also have copper and aluminum. It's down a little bit, but aluminum prices are still going strong. And this is Kitco.com. You guys can download the app. It's a resource to help you guys understand today's market and what's going on. Again, this is Coach Dave signing off. If you want to know more, hit the link below. Give me a call, 770-203-6613. Don't hesitate to call. Like I said, we are JCB Academy USA, an education consulting firm. We help and educate junk car buyers, roadside assistant drivers, tow drivers. If you're new in the business, you want to know more, you want to stop giving your local junkyard all your vehicles and not making a profit, and it's hurting your bottom line. Even though current prices are down, we can help you and educate you and try to find a better way to maximize on everything you have going on junk cars. Again, hit me up. Let's go.